How to fix NFL Sunday Ticket not showing all games. So started. First, understand one Sunday Ticket is Sunday Ticket is designed for out-of-market Sunday afternoon games only. That means if a matchup is already airing on your local CBS or Fox channel, it won't appear in Sunday Ticket. Now, you can check for blackouts. Blackouts are uncommon, but if tickets not sell 85% within 72 hours before kickoff, the game might be blacked out. In step number 3, cover your local and national games to make sure you are seeing all available games. You can use an over-the-air antenna to pick up local CBS and Fox stations in HD for free. Consider adding a service like YouTube TV, which includes local broadcast channels that Sunday Ticket does not. You can bypass regional restriction by using VPN and setting your location to another region. Then double check your account and application and make sure they are updated and you have subscribed to the correct NFL Sunday Ticket package. You can troubleshoot streaming yourself. It won't load. Try streaming on another device. Switching a device can sometimes help. Contact support if needed. Nothing works. Contact YouTube TV or NFL support. Sometimes the issue is on their side, maybe a glitch or a temporary outrage. The final tip is Sunday Ticket will never show every single game due to broadcasting rights, but with a combination of antenna, VPN, secondary streaming devices, you can fill in these gaps. Just keep your apps updated and your account settings correct. This will prevent most viewing problems, and if all else fails, reach out to support for help. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.